Today we're going to be looking at the Dr. J Sparrow pedal for bass. Now this is a DI type bass too, so you have XLR right there. We're mainly going to just plug it into the amp, and then we're going to see the type of effects it has. Low, we got high, drive, harmonies, volume, and then you have the mix. So let's get into it. Let's check it out, and now we're going to listen to the results. Okay, we're now plugged into the Sparrow, and now we're recording the actual audio from the device via lapel mic that's close to the speaker. This is what the bass sounds right now without the pedal going through. All right, let's turn it on and see the difference. Turn it off. Here it sounds clearer. Let's turn up the drive a little bit. Drive is all the way up. Harmonies. Let's turn up the lows. Again, overall mix is, we can bring all that down. Yeah, we can turn down the volume too. Bring up the highs a little bit more. Okay, let's turn it off. Okay, turn it back on. All right, so there you go. There's the pedal right there. Subtle differences, so it's sort of like an EQ with all the different parameters, and that's what it sounds like.